That's the shorter one. Look at the size of that carp there. Look at that carp. It's on the surface, feeding. There's another carp over there. On a cod. Nice cod on the yabby. It's a big one, eh? It's a big one. There he is. That's a real good cod. Yeah, big one. Oh my. There he is. Far out, that's good. It's a good cod. Oh, that's a good one, eh? Bit of yabby.
Yabby?
Yeah.
Hey, that's nice.
Oh, yes.
Big one. That's actually good.
I get bigger apparently.
Where do you get yabby from?
Oh, just my dam. I got a dam. I live out a bit.
Oh, yeah.
I thought I'd give it a go.
Let's see. Kind of long. That's actually good. We get on with them. Is that a team too?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've seen that one.
65 centimetre cod.
Oh.
Roughly. I'll get a photo of that.
Bigger. Hold it pretty tight.
Is that recording?
Yeah. Yeah, hold up. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it looks pretty big, eh? Oh yeah, not bad.
Another cod. Oh, this is a good one too. I can see it on the surface. Bring him in. Where is he? Oh, there he is. Oh, this one's big too. This is a big cod. Big cod. Yeah, I think it's a bit bigger.
It'll get tired. Oh, what? That looks huge on camera.
Good.
Look at that. Oh, oh!
Recording?
Yeah. Oh, let's touch it.
Wait, open his belly up so he can get that yabby.
No. Oh. Oh, wow.
That was my last yabby too.